Dr. Naresh Kumar from Imphal, Manipur, he would be the person who would be answering your question, sir.
Okay, right. Who, doctor?
Good evening, sir.
Dr. Naresh Kumar, Imphal, Manipur.
Dr. Naresh. Good evening,
Good evening,
Naresh.
sir.
Good evening to everybody. All the members joined the
Good
group,
evening, everyone.
and I should thank the organizers for this. Now, Naresh, are you able to see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Give me your diagnosis.
My diagnosis is complex syndactyly.
Complex syndactyly. So, what do you want?
Syndactyly
How do
complex syndactyly of the third web space.
So just 1 second, sir. So now that slide is not full screen, sir. So actually on the side, we are able to see all the diagnosis, everything, sir.
Oh, right. I'm sorry. Oh,
So
yeah, I'm going now.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
it's fine. Yes, sir, it's fine. Yeah.
I didn't realize that. Naresh,
Yes, sir.
Rao, yeah, you're right. First point is right. Complex syndactyly. Why do you say it is complex?
Because there is synechia present, fusion of nail bed, and there is angulation of middle finger over radial angulation, ulnar angulation of the middle finger present. So there might be a fusion of the distal phalanx.
So, how to confirm this?
I will take a X-ray, sir. I will take a X-ray of hand.
Where is your X-ray?
So in X-ray of the hand, there is fusion of the distal phalanx of the third and fourth finger. All other phalanges are free.
Free, right. So your first step, your diagnosis is right. I put up the X-ray. Now tell me, the child will not answer you, but what are the questions you asked to the parents?
I will ask whether the child is attained able to grasp things, any nearby things. Child is reaching nearby objects. Is the child able to?
You say the child. The size age is only 1.5 years. Okay, which I have to tell you.
Okay, sir.
So, what is the important thing you must ask the parents? What questions you will put up to the parents?
I will ask whether the child have any other breathing difficulty or any difficulty in breathing.
Why difficulty in breathing?
I will suspect any syndromic association is present or not. To rule out, I will ask these histories.
What syndromic association will produce a difficulty in breathing?
So the child might have tracheoesophageal fistula. So there might be chronic infection of chest infections. So difficulty in breathing, breathlessness might be common, and also child will be associated with congenital heart disease. So in that condition, breathlessness.
With all those conditions, the parents may not bring the child to you. They will attend to those conditions first. Now the child has come to you, that means there is no problem, only the problem is his hand. So any other leading questions you put to the parents?
I will ask about antenatal history.
Antenatal history, what antenatal history?
Any drug intake during pregnancy, any radiation exposure, to rule out any the cause, any associated cause for syndactyly.
What are the associated causes for syndactyly? You said radiation and the drugs and all good. Which
Yes,
month of the pregnancy? Either last trimester or middle of the pregnancy, or when is that?
so it will be in the it will occur in the third month of pregnancy, 21st trimester. By 41, the palmar development occurs in 41 days. The palm
Okay.
and the digital.
Oh, very good. Go ahead. Yeah, you
So,
are right. So
so
what? Uh,
yes, sir.
but why this failure? Why this failure? 41 days is fine, my dear.
Yes,
But
sir.
on the 41st day, what has not happened? That's why the child has come to you with the
Yes, sir.
patient of the
There
finger.
will the by 40 to 57 days there will
Mm.
be apical ectodermal ridge
Mm.
will be developing the palmar plate with nuptials. Nuptials not the nascent digits, which is not separated. By the day of
Please wait.
yes, sir.
So the finger separation happens that time, that is 42 to 50 days. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the only answer. You all nasal, ectodermal ridge and all different story.
Yes,
You
sir.
should be right at the point. The point is at the 42nd day, the finger separation happens, which has failed, resulting in this deformity.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And you have been telling about all sorts of this tracheoesophageal fistula. And I'll tell you, I'll show you one more case. You see this? You see
Yes,
the
sir.
embryology, you should understand from the fourth week, the arm bud develops.
Yes, sir.
Finger separation 47th day, and the quantification happens on 50th day. That's why we advise the pregnant ladies between the first month to the third month, right?
Sir.
They should not be exposed to drugs, radiation, okay?
Sir.
Then only they develop this problem. So, what are they going to do for the child? Now that
Uh,
you know the finger is not separated, there is a compound syndactyly.
sir.
What are the principles on which you'll proceed with this case? What are the aims of your surgery?
So I will create uh, a web space, and I will give lateral resurfacing of the raw areas of the fingers, and I will divide the tip, and I will create the nail fold. So I will create a web space with the intact full thickness skin.
From
Uh,
where? From where?
I will use a dorsal flap from the dorsal aspect of the finger,
Hmm.
rectangular flap
Hmm.
for the web space creation. And with Cronin's triangular, multiple triangular flaps, I will do the lateral resurfacing.
Multiple?
Triangular flaps with
Okay.
zigzag incision.
So what do you call that?
Uh,
Any other word you call in plastic surgery? The zigzag, triangular flaps. What they are known as, or how they called as?
set,
Huh? So the dorsal incision starts where, ends where?
It starts from the metacarpal phalangeal joint to
Uh,
the distance between the metacarpal phalangeal joint and the proximal interphalangeal joint. We have to take in the proximal two-thirds of the distance we have to take. We have to
okay.
design dorsal rectangular flap. We should not cross the midline of both the fingers.
Why not?
Uh, because the the web space it covers only the two-third of the junction, the normal web space, and
Web space will be covered two-thirds. What do you mean by this?
The normal web space extent is from the metacarpophalangeal joint to the two-thirds of the middle of the proximal phalanx. It will be. So that's why we
That
get
is
taking that.
what is that? That is the length of the flap what you are going to take, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this will be suffice to go and cover the palmar side?
Yes, sir.
No, we have seen many times it's not happening. So what will you do? Do you know any one good technique? Have you read about a technique? You are telling all right,
Yes, sir.
but any technique you follow?
We usually follow dorsal rectangular flap technique only, sir. Yeah.
Who described this? Who described this?
It was
Tell me, you are right. You are going through all right, but I just want a proper answer.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
now you are going to separate. See, you must say the answer should be, I will separate these two fingers and
Yes,
with the
sir.
full thickness skin to form the web. And as you rightly said, you put multiple Z plastics, right?
Sir.
Okay,
And it
after that.
was described
Uh,
by Ball, B-A-E-U-R, Ball
uh,
technique. The person described it Ball,
uh,
B-A-E-U-R, B-A-U-E-R, person's name.
Boss technique, right. Yeah, you spelled the name correctly. Yeah, that's good. Then how will you get the nail fold? You
So
said I'll give a nail fold.
yes, sir.
How
I
will you
will
get the nail fold?
I will create a nail fold by interposing triangular flap by Buck's Gramco technique.
Bug Gramco. Who is Bug Gramco? Who is Bug Gramco? Which country
Uh,
belongs to?
um, Buck Gramco belongs to. Uh,
You must always have some, no, history of plastic
yes,
surgery. Many surgeons will ask you that. Once you answer well, how to
sir.
catch you. This is the way to catch you.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Then why
Yes,
do
sir.
you want a flap for the covering the nail fold? Can't you not graft it?
Nail fold, we should not graft it because we can, if we graft it, it will stimulate the growth plate. So there will be angulation develops.
So what angulation is? What do you call that as?
Clinotactile,
Huh?
clinotactile.
You develop tynodactyly because when the bone you cut, it won't keep quiet. It won't stop growing. The growth will be much faster than your finger. So they'll grow more and then produce a tynodactyly. Very good. So far you have done well. And see, you are told the complex syndactyly, right? So this is to tell you the other different types, right? Tell me, what is a simple type?
Simple syndactyle, only soft tissue fusion is there. There is no bony involvement.
Complex?
Complex bony fusion will be there. In complicated, there will be extranumerary phalanges or delta phalanges, abnormal shaped phalanges will be present.
Okay, then
Complicated. And syndromic association in Apert syndrome, there are the three types of syndactylis will be present. Uh, type 1 is spade hand, in which
no, please, my dear Naresh. Apert, you said three types of syndactyly, but what else associated with? Why do you call that as Apert syndrome?
it is associated with craniofacial
That's right.
anomalies
And anything else?
and uh, the Even brachioesophageal fistula present in upper
All
syndrome.
that you already showed, not tracheoesophageal. That is not very common. Anything else? Very common one in APAT. You said syndactyly. You said craniofacial. What craniofacial? The craniofacial goes.
Craniosynostosis.
Synostosis. Very good. Then what is the third one? There are three components mainly.
Syndactyly in foot also will be present.
Very good. Then what is the next syndromic condition?
Poland syndrome,
Ah,
in which there will be absence of pectoralis major, sternal head, hypoplasia of breast, hypoplasia of nipple, uh, the hypoplasia of arm with dextrocardia
yeah.
will be present.
Again, another one more question. Who is Poland? Poland is a surgeon. So his name, full name is Alfred Poland. You know who he is?
No.
You know any history of Alfred Poland? Anybody can answer this. Any one of the postgraduate can answer this. If Naresh Kumar passes this, anybody can answer this.
He's a British surgeon, sir.
Wrong. Any other candidate in the...
Sir, anatomist.
Anybody? Sorry?
Sir, he's an anatomist.
No, off correct, but not fully correct.
He was a student demonstrator in anatomy.
No, there is no such demonstrator in anatomy. He is a technician. He was working as a dissector in the anatomy hall. He only made out this deformity, and this was kept as a specimen in the Edinburgh Museum. Later, one of the surgeons there, he found out this and then coined the name or named it after Alfred Poland. That's why the synonym has come as Poland syndrome. Then what is this constriction ring, Naresh?
Constriction ring.
It's all given in the book. You can read this.
Yes, sir. It's due to constriction ring formed by amniotic membrane around the body parts of the fetus. So there will be constriction of limb. There will be congenital amputations.
Okay.
It is mainly due to the
Yes.
constriction of vasculature.
And
of the body parts.
what is acrosyndactyly?
Acrosyndactyly is mainly the distal part of the fingers will be fused, and there will be fenestrations present in the proximal portions.
Very good. Good answer, right. So, these are the points you must know. See what it says. Can you read out this?
Acrosyndactyly, it should be operated by 3 months.
Why? Because only tips. So, the
Because,
alien proper.
because there will be health discrepancy and functional development will be.
No, if you could acrosyndactyly, you could release early, the finger growth will be all right.
So,
Then 6 months.
marginal finger should be operated in 6 months.
Which are the marginal fingers? You tell me which are the marginal.
First web space and first web space and the fourth web space.
Very
we
good.
have to operate by 6 months.
And what is the last point?
And the rest of the fingers, that is second web space and third web space, can be operated in 1 to 2 years of age.
Okay. What is the last point?
Adjacent sides not separated simultaneously, because we should not damage both the vessel vascular digital arteries supplying a single finger.
We never damage the vessels or any digital artery. You should be very careful while dividing this. You should not damage the digital vessel. But anyway, that's a good point taken. Anything else? See, the adjacent sides you operate, you will take the dorsal skin. That
Yes.
may not be sufficient to cover the web spaces between both the fingers. Okay? You follow me?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is this? What I am trying to show you?
This is omega flap technique,
Uh,
in which the dorsal rectangular flap is designed from the metacarpophalangeal joint to the proximal interphalangeal joint. The advantage of this defect is, while creating the web space, the flap also covers the palmar lateral surface of the commissure, which there is less incidence of web creep formation in this technique.
yes. As you initially told, you must avoid a web creep. This is, you
Okay.
see this dorsal flap, as you said, it is not a rectangle flap. It is a flap going from the metacarpophalangeal joint to the
Proximal.
PIP joint. Okay, you said 2/3 of the proximal phalanx.
Yes,
With
sir.
this flap, you can go up to the PIP joint. And you see 3 triangles here?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. When you shift this to the volar side, one triangle goes to the palm, the other triangles go to the sides. Okay? And you take away the skin flap so that they go and cover the side of the palm finger, so that you won't create any web creep. Web creep. That is the idea of doing this flap. You know who described this flap?
It was described by
Anybody can take up this question. Anybody, whoever gives the answer is a good answer.
Niranjan modification.
No, wrong. It was Alain Gilbert from France. Alain Gilbert of France gave this technique. And again, this flap is called a truncated flap. You see the trunk-like thing? Because for the web, this much space is enough. Okay, base is broad. There is a truncation, which truncation will go in between the web. You understand? And you take the volar flap to go and cover the sides. Only rest of the things you have a Z-plasty, and then you cover in between with the split thickness graft. Okay? The next point, what we are talking about, the nail bed. When you make a nail bed, this is the Bagram Scopes flap. True triangular flaps from the pulp of the finger. Each one will go and cover the exposed bone, so that you will not have any clinodactyly. Is it, you could understand that?
yes, sir.
Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's go to the next slide. Now this is what has been done, and this is the result. Now you see, what is this?
It's Poland syndrome.
I've already written on the top. You see this.
There is hypoplasia.
Not that. You see, what do you see there? What is it there?
Pectoralis major is absent.
There is only a loss of sternal fibers of the pectoralis major. Can you see that? Yes. So these children will not come with the very lot of what you call as you said, only in tracheoesophageal fistula they may have a dyspnea, a lot of lung signs. Otherwise, they won't bother about those problems. Okay, this is one. I go to